Welcome back to another episode of Scale Bodge Not Built. In this one we're going to be unboxing Tamiya's new BT-01 chassis. So let's see what we got in the box. So it's actually a box in a box. First box. Of course got the Mark 4 Super Body. That's all it is. Set of wheels. Prop shafts and drive clips. Headlight buckets. Mirrors and the rear spoiler. Only thing missing is rear light buckets, but I'm hoping to do something about that. Set of shop parts, turnbuckles, and what looks like battery holders. Of course the 1060 speed controller. Set of chassis instructions. We've also got a set of instructions to convert it to the front motor rear wheel drive setup, and mid-engine rear wheel drive, front engine front wheel drive setup. Last but not least, window masks and decals as well. So in the main box we've got what looks like motor mount, chassis plates and diff cover as well. More chassis plates and motor covers. Some suspension towers and hubs. Here we've got the arms, body mounts, more shock towers. What looks like the main tub. More chassis plates. Of course we've got the screw bags as well, so we can see the springs in there. Comes with a standard 540 motor. And there's a bumper. There we go. Join me in the next video where we're going to start building this chassis up. See you then.